Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Times are changing before our very eyes. We're now living in an era where correct Islamic knowledge has become more crucial than ever before to the true believers. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ emphasized the importance of seeking knowledge when he said, "You must acquire this knowledge before it is taken away." Just a few decades ago, a person would have had to travel to universities in different countries like Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Egypt, etc., to get an authentic Islamic education. The cost and sacrifice would be too great for some in terms of airfare, accommodation, and school fees. On top of that, not everyone who applies would even get admission. Today, learning the Deen properly has never been easier. The International Open University caters to everyone, both male and female, without distinction. All are welcome and have the opportunity to access authentic knowledge through global renowned instructors from the comforts of your own home. IOU has been catering to the needs of thousands of students across the globe for over a decade and provides a wide range of programs in both Islamic subjects like Sharia, Arabic, and Islamic banking and finance, as well as Islamic psychology, and modern secular subjects like business administration, information technology, education, agricultural economics, but all are taught from an Islamic perspective. From certificate and diploma level to PhD in Islamic studies. You can even customize your study path to what best fits your needs and timings. So come and explore the possibilities at IOU. You never know what opportunities await you. Registration for new students is still open, so don't delay. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.